Okay, we are gonna go from this sky to this sky, and it is pretty easy. So bring in your image into Photoshop and right click on the layer and click on duplicate just in case you mess something up. Now with that new layer highlighted, go ahead and click edit sky replacement. Now it might take a little bit, just let it work. And here we go. Okay, so now there's pre-built in skies to choose from, and you could actually import your own sky. So if you create one yourself or generate one from another website, you can import it right in here. So just for the sake of this example, I'm going to choose one of these pre-built in ones that come with Photoshop, and I'll adjust the scale a little bit. And there are so many different options here. I'm not going to go through all these for this example, but I do like to increase the brightness. It always seems like it comes in dark by default. And I'm going for that blue, really blue, dark blue sky. So I'm going to go to the left of the temperature. If you go to the right, it looks a little bit washed out, but you might want that for like an autumn or fall look. Oh, the edging here. If you have long grasses or a lot of trees or a lot of detail, that will come in handy. But for this one, we don't really need that. And then if you go ahead and click that arrow at the top, you could move around the sky, which is awesome. So you could get it exactly where you need it to be. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave it there. And I think that looks pretty good. So you go ahead and export it like you normally would, and there you go. See you in the next one.